You start it? Okay, so my sister and I are going to have a burping contest. So we'll see how well this goes, okay? Ready? Here's
She's
Sierra.
going to win. Samantha's going to win.
Here's Sierra. Okay. Okay, is it my turn now?
Yeah. Watch this, guys. Watch for the champion. Dang, oh my gosh, here it comes, here it comes. I'm gonna laugh if it's weak.
Okay, here's
My
Sierra.
turn.
Here's Sierra's second chance. That doesn't count.
I burped into the phone. Dang, watch this champion. Wait for me to drink. Go. Oh, I can smell that one from here. It smells like beef and cheddar.
It smells like corned beef. Here's Sierra's. Last turn, Sierra.
Oh, I just burped. Ooh, hold on.
Okay. Ready?
Here's Skimpy's last chance to beat the ultimate loser.
Okay, ready?
No, that didn't count.
Okay.
I want to see your best one. No, do a good one. Do a good one. Big one. Big one, big one, big one.
Oh,
Oh, that one sucks.
yeah.